Founded in July 2001 in Jiangmen City, a major industrial hub in China, THLPG Machinery Technic Co., Limited, is located in Taishan, Jiangmen, Guangdong Province, enjoying a prime location and convenient transportation. The company specializes in the R&D of mechanical equipment, import and export of goods, and manufacturing of intelligent basic manufacturing equipment. We hold a number of patents, including a fully automatic inkjet machine for LPG cylinders, and was recognized as a provincial innovative enterprise in 2023. The LPG cylinder production line developed by our company uses large CNC, your pneumatic presses to realize continuous steel plate blanking to comply with the national requirements for the quality and safety traceability system of liquefied petroleum gas cylinders. The cylinders are laser cut with a unique 12-digit code, laying the foundation for the construction of provincial and municipal gas cylinder public service data platforms. The gas cylinder guard production line is fully automated, with robotic operations, resulting in aesthetically pleasing guard shapes. The company has pioneered the use of fully automatic stretching for cylinder heads nationwide, eliminating manual feeding errors and preventing irregular head shapes. Efficient operations of the integrated head cleaning and rust removal machine, as well as the specialized equipment for head edge forming and beveling, ensure high-quality production in subsequent processes. The robotic welding of head punching, valve seat welding, and guard welding, with precise workpiece positioning, guarantees smooth and efficient production processes and stable product quality. To ensure product safety, the circumferential welds are laser-tracked, providing greater sensitivity and reliability compared to traditional mechanical trackers. The company uses German brand dual-pulse welding, machine resting in aesthetically pleasing, spatter-free weld seams with high welding quality. Each cylinder undergoes pressure and gas tightness tests, according to the national standard, GBT 5842, to reduce the labor intensity for operators. The company's R&D team spent several years developing fully automated equipment, including bottle loading and unloading machines, valve installation machines, gas filling machines, gas exhaust machines, vacuum extraction devices, and finished product unloading machines. This has made production efficient and safe. The company also provides advanced inspection and testing equipment, such as direct reading spectrometers, universal material testing machines, ultrasonic thickness gauges, and X-ray digital real-time imaging devices, ensuring that key quality performance indicators of the manufacturing process meet or exceed national standards. THLPG Machinery Technic Co., Limited, has a team of professional engineering and technical personnel who have been rooted in the gas cylinder manufacturing industry for over 20 years. These professionals are equipped with strong innovative concepts in equipment and processes. The company adheres to scientific management, market demand, orientation, customer-first principles, and technological innovation for development. It aims to create high-quality, safe, and reliable gas cylinder products trusted by the public. Leading the industry, the company introduces high-precision equipment and independently developed fully automated devices to achieve a safe, efficient, intelligent, and environmentally friendly gas cylinder manufacturing demonstration enterprise. We uphold the corporate culture of building a brand with quality and promoting development with technology. We always follow the policy of quality first, safety, integrity, and customer satisfaction. And we advocate the spirit of craftsmanship. We pledge to be a trustworthy enterprise for the public.